Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can redeem codes in Archero 2. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So to do that, make sure you have an official code redemption center or code redemption page you have visited. So go to your website and search the official code redemption website of Archero 2, and then you will land on this kind of interface where you will be able to provide this kind of interface to information to simply redeem it. So what you're going to be doing is afterwards simply gonna go ahead, get your user ID. For that, you can simply go ahead, open up your Archero 2 and go to the settings from the menu and simply go ahead, copy your user ID from the options. Once you copy your user ID, go ahead, paste that user ID over here. Once you have done that, you're gonna go ahead, enter the rewards code that you would like to redeem. To get the rewards code, simply have to make sure that you have the correct reward code, add in the reward code and add in the verification code as well, and tap on the redeem option, and your code will be redeemed. And you can do that as many times as you want for as many codes as you have. So that's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.